Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Tunisia using the Remitly app. So just open the Remitly app, then on the home page on the top left corner of the screen you can select the country that you wish to send money to. In our case, Tunisia. Just tap on the country and then on the bottom of the screen you are going to see the Get Started icon. As you can see here, just tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can select the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you are going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the same amount in the recipient country's currency. Then tap on Continue to see the delivery methods that are available for Tunisia. We have bank deposit and cash pickup, so just choose the one that you wish to. Then choose the bank. And you have to add the account number of the recipient. Here you must be very careful to add the correct number. Obviously, I'm just using a fictional number here. Then you have to add the recipient's name and last name. Tap on Continue again. You have to add the city of the recipient and also the province. Tap on Continue. Then you can add the recipient's phone number, but this is not mandatory, so you can also skip this step. And the last step is going to be adding the debit or credit card details of the recipient. It's very easy. The Remitly app is going to charge your card just as a normal internet payment, and the recipient is going to receive the money in his bank account. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.